In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Edgewonk to track your stock trades, analyze your performance, and build a more profitable trading strategy with our 10 essential tips for keeping a stock trading journal. But before we dive into the video, I want to mention, while this video focuses on stock trading, Edgewonk isn't just for stock traders. Whether you trade Forex, crypto, or futures, Edgewonk adapts to any market and any trading style, helping you gain deeper insights and improve your decision making. So of course, Edgewonk has all the basics and essential trading metrics for you. We show you your win rate broken down into winning trades, losing trades, and break-even trades. You see right away your average P&L per trade, and also your average winner and the average losing size. We show you how much profit you are making per trading day on average. We track the fees for you. We show you the average holding time in hours, days, and minutes. We track the return on investment on your trading portfolio. We break down your maximum drawdown. You can very nicely see your winning and losing days and how many trades you are getting per day and per trading week. But of course, there's so much more to Edgewonk, so let's get going into the other 8 essential tips. As a trader, and as a stock trader in particular, it's really important to understand time-based metrics and time-based performance. What we have seen time and again is that traders perform differently during the week, and also trading strategies perform differently during the week. Often you will see that traders have an edge early on in the week, other traders don't perform on Mondays or Tuesdays, and their trading strategy performs best in the later half of the week. Those insights can be really valuable to optimize your trading times. If you are a day trader, you want to look into your hourly performance. A lot of trading strategies perform best around the market open, and by breaking down your performance into hourly intervals, you can easily see when your strategy performs best, and that again helps you to optimize your trading times, and it can also help you to stay out of the market when your trading strategy doesn't have an edge. And of course, our profit calendar shows you day by day, week by week, and month by month how your trading performance is progressing. And by looking at your green and red performance days, you can very easily see if you're currently in a winning streak or in a losing streak, and so avoid overconfidence and stay clear of any other emotional decision making. It's also really helpful for traders to look at the long and the short side of their trades, because price behaves very differently on the long and short side in stock trading. So in the trade analytics, we break down your trading performance by long and short trades. And you can get some really interesting insights, such as your win rate, the average P&L on your long and your short trades, the total return, the profit factor, the R multiple, the maximum consecutive winning trades, and the length of your losing streaks. You get data for MAE and MFE. You see your total return, the average return, and a lot of other very important and helpful trading metrics broken down for you. And so you can see right away, are you doing better trading long or short? And especially as a beginner in the stock market, it pays off to focus on just one side and master that before trying to trade in both directions. Most stock traders have multiple setups they trade. Knowing how these setups perform is really helpful because it allows you to focus more on the ones that make you money and improve the setups that are not performing as well. So in Edgewonk, you can tag all of your trades based on the setup that you are trading, and then you can analyze your performance individually, setup by setup. Here you can also get a very nice breakdown of all the setups that you're trading. You get individual win rates, the average P&L per trade per setup, so you can see on which setups your trades are the most valuable, and you see in total how much money has each setup made for you. Market conditions to a very large degree governs strategy performance in the stock market. With Edgewonk and the help of our custom statistics, you can track, for example, whether you are in a bull or a bear market, how the VIX is doing, where the SPY or the Russell are trading, how the small cap market has been doing recently, and pretty much anything else that you can think of. And again, you get a very nice performance breakdown by looking at your custom stats, and then Edgewonk will show you correlations between market moves and your trading performance. This will help you decide whether putting on a new long trade in a bear market even makes sense for you, or whether it is time to sit on the sidelines. And of course, again, the possibilities are endless, so you can really nicely customize it to your own trading style, to your needs, and so identify interesting and helpful correlations for your trading. One of the biggest pain points of any trader is what to do after entering the market, because most traders only obsess about the entry and often neglect the rest. An effective trade management approach can turn a losing into a winning strategy. And with the Edgewonk Trade Management Analytics, we analyze the effectiveness of your in-trade decision, and we analyze how good you are at letting winning trades run, or if you struggle with cutting winners too early and leaving money on the table. And with one glance, you can see right away if your current trade management approach is working or if there is room for optimization and improvement. A trading strategy is only as good as the trader executing it. And with the Edgewonk Trading Journal, there are many ways to keep a trader condition in check. For example, here you can see right away where are you making most of your mistakes. In this case, the trader is making most of his mistakes on the entries, whereas his exits and his trade management actually doesn't look too bad. And the graph shows you over time how your efficiency is developing, meaning how good are you at following your trading plan. The lower the efficiency, the more mistakes you have made recently, and a higher efficiency and a rising efficiency shows that you've been good at following your trading plans and breaking your trading rules less and less. The tilt meter in our journal shows you trade by trade how your trading discipline is progressing over time. A green tilt meter shows that you have followed the trading rules on your trade, whereas a red tilt meter shows that you have repeatedly broken your trading rules. And that way you can very nicely follow your discipline over time and spot weaknesses in your trading right away as soon as they occur. Risk management and position sizing is of course really important for any type of trader. And with our risk distribution, you can see right away if you have outliers and if there's more work to be done on your position sizing. In this case, we can see the trader is fairly consistent. Most of his trades cluster around the center, but there's one outlier here on the left side where he has realized a loss that is much larger than his average losing trade. This helps trader visualize how good they are at managing their risk and if they have problems with letting losses get out of hand. Edgewonk combines the power of analytics and metric-driven trade analysis with helpful written diary features. And a very good way to end your trading day is with a post-session recap. Once your trading day is over, just come and open a new trading session here in your Edgewonk Trading Journal, and you can write about how your trading day went. You can capture important insights, keep track of findings that you want to remember, and keep a written diary of your trading day or your trading week. And you also get some statistics on how your trading week went. The amount of trades, winners, losers, your win rate, the total gain, your net return, and also your R multiple. Having a structured post-session recap can really benefit your mindset as a trader, and it helps you to build a catalog of your thoughts over time. If you're trading more than one trading account, our portfolio is a very helpful feature because it lists all of your created trading journals. And in your Edgewonk trading account, you can track multiple trading journals simultaneously. And in the portfolio, you then get a summary over all of your created trading journals. At the top, you have a breakdown of important key metrics. Here is a table with all the trading journals that you have created in Edgewonk. You have an aggregated equity graph. You have a performance calendar for each trading day based on all of your trading accounts. You see your best and your worst trades ever. You have an evaluation with more statistics across all of your trading accounts. You see the performance broken down by the trading instruments, by all of your trading setups, the performance by month, and also your hourly performance. And those are the essential tips for keeping a well-structured trading journal, not only for stock traders, but for all traders alike. Hope you enjoyed the video and happy journaling.